Hi, it's me, Amy Leisha. Welcome back to another video of me trying to make this different from my last. So today I kind of went on a little shopping spree at Sephora and bought so much stuff. I have been so excited to get to Sephora because my good friends Dado and Danielle surprised me with a $300 gift card. I couldn't believe it. The generosity, crazy. So over the weekend, my husband and I went to Guardian Con and Dado and Danielle were there. That's where they gave me this gift card as a congratulations on your first YouTube video. I have been waiting to finally get to Sephora and today was the day. I'm so excited to actually share with you what I got. I'm gonna start with the skincare face products first before I move into the makeup. I think it's so important to look after your skin and your face. I put on makeup almost every day regardless, purely because I love it. I really don't go anywhere. I train a lot and I really enjoy testing out new products and looks and colors. So I really need to make sure I take care of my skin. The first product I want to show you is this Ole Henriksen Balance Force Oil Control Toner. It's for oily and/or combination skin. My face is really dry, but my T-zone gets oily, especially when I exercise a lot. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm hoping it will decrease some of my oil in the T-zone and maybe reduce some of my pores. So the next product I got is a face mask. It's the Glam Glow Gravity Mud. I got this product purely because I saw someone use it and it looks cool. It's metallic on the face, changes color, and then you peel it off. And the idea of peeling it off is super satisfying to me. I did get the tester size because I'm not 100% ready to commit. So I'm really excited to try this one out as well. Let's just start with the face. The first thing I grabbed was this Matchstick by Fenty Beauty. So I got this as a cream contour because I haven't used a cream contour in a while and I really would like to get back into it. I got it in the shade Amber. It's a relatively light but cool toned brown. As you can see, it's rather deep. I'll swatch that on my hand for you. Next product is another Matchstick. It is in the shade Linen for highlight or concealer. Putting that right next to Amber. Also, how do you swatch? I'm just gonna weirdly twist my hand like this so you can see it. So the next product I got is the Hourglass Finishing Veil. I've wanted this Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder for so long, but it's so expensive. I have not been able to justify buying it for myself, but it was a present, so yay. It's got a really big, beautiful pan in it, which is gonna make it easier not to spill powder everywhere, which I'm really excited to use. So the first highlighter that I got, it is the Diamond Bomb by Fenty Beauty. I didn't know it existed until I walked into Sephora today and was in awe of how shiny it looks. The second highlight I picked up was the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. I just got the mini of this one. I do often use a gold highlight, especially when it's summer. When my skin is really, really white, I don't. I go for the pinks or the whiter highlights. This is so very tiny. Not a whole heap of shimmer, but just enough for a subtle glow. Man, I am really sweaty in my chair right now. I do have a fan above me, but I had to turn it down because it made all the lights move. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is not the first time I've tried this. I do have one here that I haven't finished. I really love this pencil, so I wanted to grab another one, but I wanted it in a lighter shade. So I grabbed the 2.5 Neutral Blonde shade. I often use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, but I find that takes me a lot longer, as having a pencil I can just apply the gel and be good to go. There is a lot more in the pomade though, so if you're looking to save money, I would definitely go with the pomade. This next one I'm so excited for. I saw this on display at Sephora and hadn't even looked at the inside before I decided I wanted this. It is the Huda Beauty Neon Palette. Can you see this? So basically I saw this and was like, I want that. I hadn't even looked inside to see the shadow colors. Let me show you those though. So this is what the inside looks like. We have some beautiful neon mattes and a few shimmer shades. I don't wear neon colors, but I do tend to stick to nudes, pinks, plain colors. So I'm really looking forward to trying this palette out. If you want to see me do a look with this palette, let me know down in the comments. First time swatching, guys. That is me attempting to swatch on my arm. Disaster. I know in my previous videos I've said I do not use lip liner. I bought a lip liner. I actually bought more than one lip liner today. This is the Sephora Lip Liner To Go Crayon. It's just the mini version. I wasn't sure how well I would love this. It's also gonna be great for my purse because I never use a lip liner and never gonna reapply it. It's super tiny. I didn't realize it's an actual pencil and not a big fan of sharpening pencils. This is in the shade Pink Beige. I use a lot of neutrals, so I figured it would be probably something I use. Next product I got is a lipstick. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick. It's like a marble blue. It's not like a marble blue. It is a marbly blue casing. This is just my favorite color blue. This is the shade Beach Babe. If this is really good, it may even take over the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Peony that I wear almost every day now. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. The next thing I got is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Seraphine. It is a very bold red. I want to be able to wear it and not worry about transfer anywhere. So my husband loves a good red lip. Getting a liquid lipstick, it's not going to transfer, hopefully. You can see that they're very, very deep red. So I have this tendency, if I want something, I buy like 50 different types of it in hope to find the right one and then end up with a mess on my hands. So I have recently purchased a lot of matte red liquid lipsticks. The next thing I got isn't as exciting but very, very useful and functional. It is this daily brush cleaner. It is the Sephora brand, and this was appealing to me because I never clean my brushes. It's a quick clean, essentially instant dry. So this afternoon I went through and cleaned all my brushes. It says spray cleanser onto a dry towel or cloth. Gently run brush head over cloth until surface oil and dirt are removed. Basically, onto the towel. Air dry. But this stuff is incredible, and maybe I will have cleaner brushes now. This is probably one of the most useful products I actually bought. When I finished shopping at Sephora, I was on this shopping high and ended up finding my way in Ulta, more or less because that's where I got my hair fixed and I wanted to go back in and say thanks, but I couldn't leave without buying some things. One of them was this Super Shock Shadow by Colourpop. It is in the shade Let Me Pass. It is a very orangey coppery tone, and you know how much I love a good coppery tone in my eyes, so I just couldn't resist. So I grabbed this. I'm hoping it will really complement my eye color. It is more orange though, so we will see how that looks. I am very interested to try it out though. I have so many makeup swatches all over me. I just can't get it all off. Next thing I got was another Colourpop product. It is the Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Times Square. This is a deeper shade and I don't really have any really dark mattes, and I have heard that the Colourpop liquid lipsticks are really good, so I wanted to try that out. It is more of a dark brown. Whoops. So I did go a little lip liner crazy and got another 2 lip liners. I bought one and I was unstoppable. These are both by NYX. One is a nude beige and the other is a nude pink. Again, nude colors because that's what I use most. And I wasn't exactly sure which would be the best fit, so I grabbed 2. Again, they're wooden pencils, not a huge fan. Swatching them on my hand, they actually are so different. I'm glad I got both. I did get another liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Liquid Suedes in Cherry Skies. This one is really deep. Really not sure if it's going to be wearable. We'll see how that goes. 2 more liquid lipsticks. I grabbed the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Liquid Lipstick. These are from the new range Les Macarons. Macarons? How would you say that? They smell so delicious. This is the shade Dose of Rose, and the darker one is Mon Caramel. Moving back over to skincare, whilst I was at Ulta, I did come across this Botanics Overnight Face Oil, which really caught my eye. It is 100% organic with rosehip and lavender. I have tried to move my diet to a more natural, less preservative, more or less because my husband and I have been pretty sick since moving to this country. The food's just different. We do try and buy a lot of organic stuff. Especially with my skincare routine, I'm trying to do as much as I can to go organic and more natural just to keep my skin healthy. It comes in this nice little bottle with a little squeezy tube dispenser. It's a night oil. Oh, that smells nice. Organic stuff aside, I have been looking for a rosehip oil serum to use because of the benefits that rosehip oil actually has. It's supposed to be moisturizing, anti-aging, it's supposed to brighten the skin, reduce skin pigmentation. It's very affordable, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out and seeing if I can notice any difference. That is it. I still have no idea what I'm doing, so please leave me some feedback in the comments below. As I said earlier, I do have an Instagram. Come follow me. I'm just trying to get more followers than Dado. He has a lot of followers and doesn't post very much. Not that I really post very much either. But come follow me on Instagram. Thanks again, Dado and Danielle, for sponsoring this video. I've loved it so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye!